Okay, so the model I use is based on MUAS. Again, MUAS come again this year. So MUAS did have his grant, and then he has publication, and he come up with some kind of new knowledge, science and technology ideas. New, yeah. So that means it has not been applied before in other settings. This is the first time this knowledge is going to be used. So this high-tech solution is going to be applied in Mr. Wong industry. So, and at the same time, Mr. Wong is looking for a solution, and it just happened ngam-ngam, the existing product has problem, or the process has problem, it's broken, and Mr. Wong is looking for a solution, and ngam-ngam, Mr. Wong happened to read publication from Dr. Muaz, or Dr. Muaz go to Mr. Wong and explain what he has been doing and the kind of new knowledge he has got that is able to solve Mr. Wong problems. So Dr. Muaz can wait, or he can seek for the right project or problem to solve. Okay, it is the right project for the right PI. So when this new knowledge solve the problem at industry after implementation, after 1 or 2, maybe 12 months or 6 months, sometimes slightly longer, then we call this innovations. Before the solution and the problem come together and click, it is just potential innovation. So the PPRN is about innovation if problem A being solved by solution A specifically. Yeah. So I think using this model you should be able to understand the whole thing. Okay, so it is about clicking from solution A, which is the new science solution brought about by Dr. Muaz from his research grant, his evidence by publication or thesis. Click with the problem by Mr. Wong from the industry. Then after implementation of the solution, you have innovation. Well, so what we do, we just Google. You want to do something, you want to solve the particular problem, so we Google the solution, we Google the problem, we search whether any company supply it, if you can purchase it from anywhere, even from South Africa or from Greenland, it is considered off the shelf. That means you can get the technology. Technology is not special. It's not you who come up with the technology. Therefore, it will not be considered. That's the kind of thing that we're going to recommend because of the off-the-shelf solution. Number 2, project perundingan, consultancy. Anybody can become consultant. If I do food technology, UPN food technology can solve the problem. UKN food technology can solve the problem. I'm not special. Anybody can become consultant. Okay. Number 3, it is not science and technology, marketing and management, so out. The worst one people can do is to write a research proposal. You want to do, they're going to be lab work, they're going to be testing here and there. So forget it. It is fundamental, exploratory, very high risk to use the PPRN for this. Yeah. Clinical testing, no. If you want to buy any machine or asset to solve the problem, then it is not S&T solution. It is considered not PPRN projects. If it involve overseas traveling, automatically rejected. And there is, you want to apply halal, you want to solve the problem, applying halal, that is not considered S&T solution. It is not problem solving. So this is also will not be considered at all for the PPRN. So many issue with the PPRN that is rejected is basically off the shelf. This one, you Google and you can see people are supplying the technology. You can buy it. You can just get it. Project perundingan, meaning you read somewhere in publications, somebody published about the solution, and you want to apply the solution from the previous publication from somebody else into this industry. That is consultancy. It is not PPRN. Yeah. Or sometimes you get ideas because you are in the field, so you have ideas how to solve it. You have concept how to solve it. That is also considered consultancy. Okay. And again, the worst one is fundamental. Do research. It is not a research. it is the outcome of research.